Big will not beat the small, it will be the fast beating the slow. This is a famous quote by billionaire entrepreneur Rupert Murdoch, who built the media empire including the Fox News, the Wall Street Journal and the Times of London. This really struck chord with me as a small business owner. Being small is one thing and being small yet agile is an altogether different thing. It is a big advantage. As a MSME business owner, we don't realize the power that lies within us. We are swift, we are nimble, and we are flexible in our decision making. As an entrepreneur, building Dreamfood over the last 10 years, I have had this feeling multiple times, which I'm sure you will resonate as a small business owner. We often find ourselves at a junction where we feel we are proud of what we have accomplished, yet deep within we know there is a much big impact we can create one day. This compelled me to think, what's the difference between an elite and a normal entrepreneur? What and how do they do it differently? On digging deep, I realized the difference lies in the common phenomena that drives things in motion. It is Sir Isaac Newton's first law of motion, which says an object at rest remains at rest and an object in motion continues in motion. It's the law of momentum. An entrepreneur too can be waylaid by external forces during their growth journey. There are these entrepreneurs who are trapped in the daily hustle of business operations and they're not able to move forward. And there are a few entrepreneurs who are able to create the right momentum in spite of the obstacles that pop left, right and center. I call these people momentum masters. That's why I'm coming up with this video series where we meet these momentum masters, people who have been able to create a positive impact by generating the necessary momentum in business and in life. Through this series of interviews with business owners from diverse domains, we shall get to hear the real life stories about how these people break the hustle trap mode to focus on the big picture. How do they seize the opportunities by adjusting their strategies in real time, thus keeping the momentum going? How do they capitalize on being fast and do not let being small as a limiting factor in making a big impact? From incremental 1% daily improvements to taking leaps in growth, from strategies for building momentum to developing leadership competencies that help deliver profitable growth for decades. It's going to be a joyful ride hearing these stories. I hope the knowledge and the stories of these entrepreneurs we hear through this video series will help us thrive into the future with the right momentum. Because I truly believe that it will be the fast that will beat the slow, not the big that will beat the small. That's it for the introduction. You will meet the momentum master soon. Until then, let's keep the momentum going.